Do you know how many types of pizza there are in the world? I want to make you a new pizza. A pizza that no one has eaten before. Hello pizza lovers, I'm Emad. Welcome to Specialpizza. On this channel, I randomly choose the ingredients for a new pizza with this wheel of life. Well, pizza with shrimp. Oh my god. Okay, let's test it. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And share the videos with others. Oh my god. It's perfect. Oh my god. It's perfect. Goodbye until another pizza.